In this section, you will learn how to convert degrees to DMS, DMS to degrees, degrees to radians, and radians to degrees.
A degree is a unit of an angular measure equal to 1/180th of a straight angle. DMS stands for degree, minute, second, and is another system of angular measure. Each degree is subdivided into 60 minutes, and each minute is subdivided into 60 seconds. When given the degree 40.425 degrees, the first step is to change the fractional part into minutes and seconds. Starting with minutes, you multiply 0.425 degrees by 60 minutes over 1 degree, making sure that the degree signs are opposite of each other to cancel out. The answer you should get is 25.5 minutes. Next, you will need to convert 0.5 minutes to seconds by taking 0.5 minutes and multiplying it by 60 seconds over 1 minute, and you will get 30 seconds. After finding the minutes and seconds, you can put it all together to get your answer of 40 degrees, 25 minutes, and 30 seconds. You can also switch it from DMS form back to degrees as long as you remember each minute is 1/60th of a degree and each second is 1/3600th of a degree. If you take 40 degrees, 25 minutes, and 30 seconds and want to turn it back into degrees, you can use the information given to write your equation. After you simplify the equation, you should get 40.425 degrees.
To convert degrees to radians and vice versa, all you have to remember is pi radians and 180 degrees both equal a straight angle. Therefore, pi rads divided by 180 degrees equals 1, and 180 degrees over pi rads equals 1. We can use these to convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees. To convert degrees to radians, we want to use the equation pi rads divided by 180 degrees. If we are given 90 degrees, we can easily turn it into radians by multiplying it by pi rads divided by 180 degrees. The degrees will cancel out, leaving us with 90 pi divided by 180 rads. When you simplify, you will get your answer of pi over 2 rads. To convert radians to degrees, we need to use the equation of 180 degrees divided by pi rads. If we take our pi over 2 rads and multiply it by 180 degrees divided by pi rads, the pi rads will cancel out, leaving us with 180 degrees divided by 2, giving us 90 degrees.
The most important thing to remember when converting is to make sure the units you want to get rid of are always on opposite sides of the equation from each other. When you divide a radian by a radian, they will cancel out each other, which is important when you are trying to convert radians to degrees. By remembering each minute is 1/60th of a degree, and each second is 1/3600th of a degree, and the two equations, pi rads divided by 180 degrees equals 1, and 180 degrees divided by pi rads equals 1, you will be able to convert degrees to DMS, DMS to degrees, degrees to radians, and radians to degrees.